So today I'd be happy to tell you about some of the research we're doing within Materials Project to enable data-driven materials design, as well as how it could maybe enable some of the discoveries from your side as well. One note, we've already uploaded the slides to our group website. And so if you have trouble seeing the slides or if you want to refer to anything, you can always see the slides there. So they're already up. Okay, so all the previous speakers have already done a great job of introducing the goal of data-driven research, which is more successes and fewer failures. So conventional design, I've kind of put in a schematic on the left, which is you do many experiments and many of them fail. And many of those experiments that failed, maybe you could have realized that they were not going to work based on a simulation of some sort. I realized after making the slide and seeing the previous presentations, I think 3 of the four speakers have garbage cans in their presentation. I think this is the first session I've been that's had so many of the garbage can graphics. But on the right side is, the data-driven